Hello students, welcome to all. Today we are going to study coding of binary information and error detection. So today we start with the weight of code word. Weight of code word. So weight of code word here definition. Let x belongs to b raised to n, the number of ones in x is called the weight of x. X belongs to b raised to n. The number of ones in x is called the weight of x, and it is denoted by mod x. So weight of code word x is denoted by mod x. Here we see the example. So here x equals to 1, 1, 1, 1 is given. Here we want to find the weight of this word x. So weight is nothing but number of times ones. So see here, weight of x is equals to, so count how many number of times? 1. Okay, count the number of 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in this word there are 4 times 1. Okay, so that's why weight of this code word is 4. Here 4 times 1 is repeated, so weight of this word x is 4. Similarly, we take the second example. X equals to 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, now here we want to again calculate the weight of this code word x. So weight of x is equals to, count the number of 1, 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 times 1. So that's why weight of code word is 3. All of you get it this? Okay. So now next point, parity check. So we see the definition of parity check code. The encoding function e from b raised to m to b raised to m plus 1. The encoding function e from b raised to m to b raised to m plus 1 defined as e of b equals to b1, b2, b3 so on up to bm and bm plus 1, where bm plus 1 equals to 0 if weight of b is even. Weight of b is even, and bm plus 1 equals to 1 if weight of b is odd. Okay, weight of b is odd. So see here, the encoding function e from b raised to m to b raised to m plus 1 defined as e of b equals to b1, b2, b3 up to bm plus 1. Here e of b is nothing but the code word. So here where bm plus 1 equals to 0 if weight of b is even, and equals to 1 if weight of b is odd. So this encoding function, this encoding function is called the parity m plus 1 check code. So this encoding function is called the parity open bracket m plus 1 check code, and here the extra bit, this b1, b2, b3 are called the bit, and extra bit that is bm plus 1. The extra bit attached is known as a parity bit. This bm plus 1 bit is extra bit is called the parity bit. So hence this function is called the parity check code. Parity check code. Okay. Now we take the example depend on this parity check code. Okay. Example. Define encoding function. Define encoding function e from b raised to 3 to b raised to 4 as e of b equals to b1, b2, b3 and b4. So b1 to bm plus 1. So here parity bit is b4. Okay, where? So here condition for parity bit b4 is it is equals to 0 if weight of b is even, and it is equals to 1 if weight of b is odd. Okay, so write the code words. Write the code words. Okay, so here encoding function e b raised to 3 to b raised to 4 is defined as e of b equals to b1, b2, b3 up to b4, where b4 equals to 0 if weight of b is even and equals to 1 if weight of b is odd. So here we want to write the code words. Solution. So first here the bit b4 of e of b is 0 if weight of b is even, else b4 is 1. So see here, by using this, the bit b4 of e of b of code word is 0 if weight of b is even, otherwise 1. That is, if b4 the bit b4 of e of b is 1 if weight of b is odd. Okay, now this implies that every code word e of b has even weight. So see here b4, b1, b2 and b3. Okay, so here weight of b is even, then we add here 0. So that means there is no change in weight. Weight is still even, right? Weight, that is, we count the number of ones, right? Number of ones is nothing but the weight of that code word. Okay, now if weight of B is odd, then we add 1, that is before bit is 1. So that means if we find the weight of E of B, then we get even. So that means this implies that every code word E of B has even weight, right? So a single error in transmission of code word will result in a received word with odd weight. So see here, a single error in transmission of code word will result in received word with odd weight. So if the weight of received word is odd, then we get a error, since this implies that every code word E of B has even weight. Okay, now we find the code words. List of code word. For the defined three-fourth encoding function, encoding function, list of code word for defined order pair 3-4 encoding function is, so see here, E of 0, 0, 0 equals to, here the weight of B is 0, 0, 0, that means there is no 1. So weight of this B is even. So if weight of B is even, then before bit is 0, right? So here B1, B2, B3 and this weight is even, so we add 0, right? Now next, E of 1, 0, 0. Now here weight of this B is odd, right? So that's why we add before 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Now E of 0, 1, 0. So here again weight of this B is odd. So we add 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Now next E of 0, 0, 1. Now here again weight of B is odd. So again we add 1. So 0, 0, 1, 1. Now E of 1, 0, 1. So here weight of B is 2. Number of ones 2. So that's why we add 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. Now next E of 1, 1, 0. Now here again weight of this 1, 1, 0 is even, so we add 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. Now next E of 0, 1, 1. Here again weight of B is even, so we add 0. And last 1, 1, 1. So here weight is odd, so we add 1. So these are the code words 3 to 4, B raised to 3 to B raised to 4. Okay. Now we add here question for each of the received words determine whether an error will be detected For each of the received word, determine whether an error will be detected. So here 1100, B 0100, C 0010. Okay, so see here, 3 received words are given and here we want to determine whether an error will be detected in same parity check code, 3-4 parity check code. Okay, see here, in this example, 3-4 parity check code, the bit before of A of B is 0 if weight of B is even and else before is 1. So this implies that every code word A of B has even weight. So for determining error, we use this statement. Okay. Now see here, first received word A 1100. So first of all, we find the weight of this E of B, right? So the weight of 1100 is 2. Number of ones are 2. So weight of this word is 2. So if code word has even weight, then there is no error, right? So here in this word there is no error. Okay. No error. Now we take next B. The code word is 0100. So here again we find the weight of this word. So weight of 0100 is 1. So number of times 1 is 1. Okay. So here the weight is 1, that is odd. So here there is error. So yes, error will be detected. Now C 0010. So here again weight of 0010 is 1, hence error is detected. Yes, error detected. Okay, all of you get it how to detect the error. Now we take next example. Consider the following M3M encoding function E from B raised to M to B raised to 3M, defined as E of B equals to B1, B2, B3, so on up to BM, B1, B2, B3, so on up to BM, B1, B2, B3, so on up to BM. For B equals to B1, B2, B3, so on up to BM belongs to B raised to M. For M equals to 3, write the code words. So see here, M3M, order pair M3M encoding function E from B raised to M to B raised to 3M, defined as E of B equals to B1, B2, B3 up to BM, B1, B2, B3 up to BM, B1, B2, B3 up to BM. right? For b equals to b1 to bm belongs to b raised to m, and here the value of m equals to 3. So here we want to write the code words b raised to 3 to b raised to 9. 3 into 3, 9. So b raised to 3 to b raised to 9. So solution, the given encoding function is, the given encoding function is e from b raised to 3 to b raised to 9, m to 3m. So m 3m, that is 3, if we substitute m is equals to 3 to 9. Okay, so it is a map that repeats the word 3 times, right? It is the map that repeats the word 3 times. This map detects an error by observing the pattern of repetition. This map detects an error by observing the pattern of repetition, right? So here if we observe the pattern of this repetition, and by observing this pattern we detect the error. Okay, so now list of code words. List of code word. So first, e of 0 0 0. So it repeats 3 times. So 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. Okay, so this is the code word of e of 0 0 0. Now e of 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Then e of 0 1 0. So 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 0. Now next, e of 0 0 1. Then 0 0 1, 0 0 1, 0 0 1. Repetition 3 times. Then next, e of 1 0 1. So 1 0 1, 1 0 1, 1 0 1. Repetition 3 times. Next, e of 1 1 0. So 1 1 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 0. Then next, e of 0 1 1. So 0 1 1, 0 1 1, 0 1 1. And last, e of 1 1 1 equals to 1 1 1, 1 1 1 and 1 1 1. Okay, so here we get this code words, right? That is repetition of 3 times, right? We repeat the words 3 times, and by observing the pattern of this repetition we will detect the errors. All of you get it, this example? Okay, so today we stop here. In next meet we discuss about Hamming distance and its properties. So today we stop here. Thank you.